Use has because Mary is a third person singular subject. Has, have, and verb agreement. In this class, we're going to look at the uses of has and have in verb agreement. So, welcome to this class. I'm Mr. Nelson. So, there's a question here that says, Mary has many cows on her farm, or Mary have many cows on her farm. So, in these two sentences, which one is correct? Mary has many cows on her farm, or Mary have many cows on her farm. Use has because Mary is a third person singular subject. Mary has many cows on her farm. Use has because Mary is a third person singular subject. Mary has many cows on her farm. Mary is the subject of the sentence and has is the verb. The verb must agree with its subject. In the simple present, has should be used in a third person singular subject. Mary, Jim, he, she, it, the book, a cat, among others. And have should be used in all other places. First person singular, I have. First person plural, we have. Second person singular, you have. Second person plural, you all have. Third person singular, she has, he has, it has. Third person plural, they have. I hope this information or this was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until I see you in the next video, bye for now.